Imagine your best friend texts you and says, I'm shopping from Nykaa, what skincare should I buy? Well, this video is exactly what I tell her. No overhyped stuffs, just honest recommendation about everything skincare. So in this video, I'm going to recommend you some of my holy grails that I've been using from a very long time. And of course, some of the products are something which I wanted to use it from many months ago, and I've been saving all of them in my wish list. But I was obviously doing my research. I don't use any new product before doing my own research and finding out whether the ingredients in the products are actually going to suit my skin or not. These needs to be a savior for my skin and not something which is going to haunt me for days and days. So if you're interested in skincare products and if you want some good skincare recommendation and obviously that makes sense to your skin, let's dive into this video. So I changed the location because I feel more comfortable from here. So I'm gonna just put my hands here and whatever comes, I am going to show it to you guys. There's no sequence because I got a bunch of stuffs here, and mostly that you see are from Nykaa Luxe because I've been eyeing on them from a long time. So let's see what comes first. Okay, the first thing that I got is this one from Laneige. This is the Bouncy Firm Sleeping Mask, and I've been using the lip balm from Laneige and I wanted to use other range of the products from Laneige, so I got this. So this has a very cute packaging. You can see this is like so cute, and I think I'm gonna use it. I've never used Laneige's any face product, so this is a new one that I wanted to try. Next I have is this from Plum. So this is the Alpha Arbutin and Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum. I'm gonna open and show it to you guys. I'm not gonna use it because you have to stay tuned for my shorts to know more about all of these products. So this is how the packaging looks like. So this is a Hyaluronic Arbutin face serum. I have been obsessed with some of the good serums from Plum and other stuff. So I've been using Ordinary ka serum, but मैंने सोचा इस बार कुछ नया try करते हैं. So I got this one. Next I have is this one. This is from Dot & Key. So I already have opened and used it, but I really wanted to recommend this to you, so I kept it here. So this is basically a watermelon cooling hydro gel eye patches. आपको यहाँ पे लगाना होता है, and I feel so soothing, so soothing. It comes with a spatula here, and you can just pick and you can put here and you can keep it for like 15-20 minutes and you feel so much refreshing. अगर आपके eyes में थोड़ा सा भी pain हो रहा है ना, and if you like put it here and you can use a good mask, and then you feel so much good after using this one. Highly recommend this. Next one that I have is something which is just amazing, and I've been seeing all the international YouTubers using it and recommending it, so I just could not stop myself from getting this one from Dove. So this is a body polish exfoliating scrub, and this is from Brown Sugar. Let me open it for you guys, and this is the packaging, and ये खोलने से पहले ही इसकी जो fragrance है वो आ रही है, and oh my god, I just feel like eating it. ये बिल्कुल dessert जैसा flavor इसका है, and I mean of course it's not a flavor, this is a fragrance, but this is really good. This is really good. I've already used Dove के दूसरे body polishes, but I think this is something which I'm gonna love. So next, I have this hair oil from Nat Habit. I think मैंने ये अपने first video में दिखाया था कि मैं इससे चंपी करती हूँ, और this is really good. This is the Summer Dasa Booty hair oil. This has hibiscus and amla accelerated hair growth oil. I have already showed that इसके अंदर में जो है ना कुछ ingredients है which is really good for your hair, और मुझे काफी अच्छे result मिले हैं after using this hair oil. So I highly recommend this to you. Okay, just little bit. I have the Sanfi Shea Butter Body Razor. I obviously got as a free gift. So मैंने Laneige के जो products लिए थे उसके साथ मुझे ये as a free gift मिला. The same sleeping mask in like this इस छोटू सा. This is going to be very travel friendly. अगर मैं अपने next travel में जाऊँ तो मैं इसको जरूर लेके जाऊँगी. Then I have this. So you know what this is? This is an eye cream from Beauty of Joseon. So मैंने इसको भी यूज करा है ऑलरेडी और मुझे काफ़ी अच्छा लगा है. So this is what it is. आप इसको यूज़ कर सकते हो. Okay, I am also going to give you some good skincare tips that you definitely needed and that I applied to myself. So as I was talking to you about this eye cream, so do not expect magic in just a week. You need to give at least 4 to 6 weeks of time to see the actual result before coming into conclusion. Okay, so give good time to the skincare products that you use, especially when it comes to pigmentation or acne marks. So before we continue, I just want to give you one basic simple skincare tip that you don't need actually a 10-step skincare routine. You just need a golden trio, which is your cleanser, moisturizer and sunscreen, and that's all that you need, trust me. Okay, I just feel so blessed to live with my parents because they just send me this chai. It's already evening time and I know that they know that I must be feeling like to have some chai. I'm just gonna have my chai and then continue this video. So grateful. Okay, next I have is this again from Dove. So this is basically a hair mask और ये काफी ज़्यादा internet hyped product है. So I thought let me use it. इसका पैकेजिंग काफी ज़्यादा क्लासी लग रहा है. गोल्डन कुछ भी होना तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. दिस इज ऑलरेडी सील्ड पैक, तो मुझे इसका कोई फ्रेग्रेंस नहीं आ रहा है. तो यू हैव टू वेट बिफोर आई टेल यू हाउ दिस प्रोडक्ट इज. Next I have is these two sheet masks from Innisfree. Oh my god, कहाँ चला गया? One is the kombucha energy mask and other one is green tea energy mask, and I cannot wait to use it. So I'm gonna use it and tell you in one of my shots when I do my skincare. Next I have this gorgeous looking face wash from Bioderma. So this one is the soothing micellar cleansing foaming gel. So I generally don't like to use the foaming face washes. I always use a gel form face wash, and this is a new one that I wanted to try. So yeah, of course I'm gonna use it and tell you. I have seen like good reviews of this product, so let's see if it's suits me or not. Okay, next I have this one. I know people must be judging me for this. This is a Johnson baby oil. So I think this is a very good product which I highly recommend. मैंने इसको काफी टाइम से यूज कर रखा है. You can use it for multiple purpose. You can use it to remove your makeup, eye makeups, because obviously your eyes are very sensitive. तो आप इसको eye makeup remove करने के लिए use कर सकते हो. You can use it as a body oil. This is really good. Okay, next I have again from Plum, again a serum. This time I have gone crazy to buy good serums from Plum, and just see the cute packaging. Oh my god, this is pink in color and I think this is so good. So basically this is a hyaluronic acid serum. So right now I just use serums which is hydrating in nature, moisturizing, it's something barrier repair or removes blemishes. I am not into actives, so I am going to give you one more tip, which is don't jump into actives like exfoliants or retinol, because they are powerful and you need to do your good research, or maybe you can ask someone who knows about them. So that is the reason I'm always sticking to niacinamide, salicylic acid or hyaluronic. So yeah, these are the only things that I stick to. This is really good. Next I have a very big bottle of L'Oreal ka shampoo. This is the new L'Oreal Paris Hyaluron Pure 72-hour purifying shampoo. Salicylic acid है इसमें और hyaluronic boost है इसमें. काफी ज़्यादा overhyped shampoo है, so I thought let me try it out. Next I have is this facial razor from Sirona. Yeah, Sirona. This is really good. So there are so many facial razor, but मैंने इसको use करने के बाद मुझे I'm just sticking into this because this brand is not so much overhyped, but this is really good. Next I have one product that I've been using from like maybe 3 to 5 years, और ये है Ordinary का salicylic acid serum. So I am prone to acne and this really helps me to reduce my acne. Then I have is, oh my god, this is a gorgeous thing that I got. This is from La Marbella और इसमें है बहुत ही amazing सा एक चीज. So this is what I have. The gua sha, basically I got it because I wanted to use it for the lymphatic massages and face massages. This really helps and works. मेरा जो पुराना वाला था वो टूट गया था, तो मैंने सोचा एक नया restock किया जाए from the same brand. But earlier I used that green stone one, और इस बार मुझे लगा मुझे pink use करना चाहिए. Next I have again this serum from Ordinary. This is the niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1% serum. So next I have is this one from Plum. This is the Rice Water Niacinamide Sheer Tinted Sunscreen. So this is their new launch and the packaging is so good. You can see this is the tinted sunscreen and I've been obsessed with everything tinted. So like tinted sunscreen, tinted lip balm. So here comes the next step, which is don't miss your sunscreen. You have to use sunscreen on a daily basis, even if you're chilling at home, because the UV rays, it also comes from the window and it impacts. And obviously, if you're not using a sunscreen, your entire skincare routine is useless. So even if you're chilling at home, don't forget to use a sunscreen. This is from Vaseline. So Vaseline का ये Gluta-Hya Flawless Glow है. Let me tell you one thing, that if you are planning to buy इस range के Vaseline के products, then go for the pink one, because I have used the pink one and that is really good. ये भी अच्छा ही है, but the pink one is better than this one. And then I have this one from Kiehl's. So this is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. This is 24-hour daily lightweight hydrating formula. So this I got to use it like a day cream and a night cream. So this is really good. मैंने इसके काफी अच्छे reviews सुने हैं. मैंने इसके पहले कभी use नहीं किया है. So I am planning to use it from today onwards and let's see ये कैसा होता है. So before we move on, I want to give you one disclaimer about this product which I just showed you. This is the Lineage sleeping mask. So this is a bouncy foam sleeping mask. That means this is a night cream and not a day cream. Okay. Next I have this roll-on from Dove. Again, I love Dove ke products and this is one of the best products that I've got. This is the Invisible Dry Anti-White Yellow Stain Roller, underarm roller. Okay, next is again a moisturizer from CeraVe. मैंने CeraVe के काफी सारे फेस वॉशेस यूज किए हुए हैं, बट दिस माय फर्स्ट CeraVe मॉइस्चराइजर. दिस मॉइस्चराइजिंग क्रीम ड्राई टू वेरी ड्राई स्किन. तो मेरी कभी कभी स्किन इम्पैक्ट करती है, कभी कभी ड्राई हो जाती है. सो आई थिंक दिस रियली हेल्प्स टू रिपेयर ओवरनाइट. इसको रात को यूज कर लो एंड नेक्स्ट डे सुबह यू आर जस्ट डन. सो समटाइम्स होता है ना, आपका स्किन फट जाता है इस एरिया में, स्पेशली ऑन योर बोन एरिया बेसिकली. तो उस चीज के लिए काफी हेल्प करता है. यूज अ गुड क्वांटिटी ऑफ द मॉइस्चराइजर on the portion where your skin has been impacted, तो ये आपको अच्छा result देगा. And lastly I have again from Lineage. So this is a sweet candy lip balm. Let me open this. You know what, I love Lineage ka lip balm. Wait, I'll show you something. So this is something that I've been using now. This is Gummy Bear lip balm. So I thought of getting this one again, which is so cute. So cute. Wow. Like literally wow. इसका बिल्कुल bubble gum जैसा flavor है. काफी hydrating भी है और I love this. I literally love this. So before ending this video, I need to tell you some really important stuffs. I know it's tempting to use any new serums or any new products that you get, but it's also important to do a quick patch test. So you can do a patch test maybe on your jawline or maybe behind the ears before using it, because obviously it's gonna save your skin and also your money. So the next very important thing to know is before you layer your products is that you need to go from thinnest to thickest. So first you have to use your cleanser, then toner, then your serum, then moisturizer, then sunscreen. So this way, okay? Don't randomly use anything on your skin. So let me give you a reminder that you're not behind if you don't have a perfect routine, because of course you can create one. Taking care of your skin is something that makes you feel good and it should not be like a competition. Also, don't forget to drink enough water, because a dehydrated skin can look dull and oily. So a hydrating toner or a serum works wonders. So that's the beauty scoop that I would give to my best friend. And if you're watching, then you are my virtual bestie too. Let me know in the comment section if you have tried any of these products and what will be your go-to Nykaa pick. If you like such honest and cozy recommendation, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I'll see you next time in a brand new video. Until then, take care. I appreciate you. Bye-bye.